welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today we'll be talking about basic measurements. Basic measurements for ladies' outfits mostly. So I'll be taking you through how to take measurements for basic tops, gowns, skirts, blouse. Okay. So first we are going to start with the linear measurement. Our linear measurement means the straight one. So we'll start taking from our nape. The nape, this is our nape of the leg. Down. First to take what? Our bust point. Bust point. Bust point is where the nipple is. Bust point. From our bust point, you ensure you are holding your tape. Ensure you are holding your tape. This is our under bust. From the under bust, go to your half length. We have two half lengths depending on the outfit you're making. You have the lower and the upper half length. So for the lower, the upper half length, you can just add 1.5 or 2 inches to your other bust, and for the lower one, you can use 4 inches plus, or you stop at the upper part a little, an inch above your navel. So the half length. After you take our half length is also serves as where our skirt placement could be, depending on the type of skirt you want. It could be a high waist skirt or a lower waist skirt. So from our half length, we go to what? To our hip, to the location of our hip. So we keep them. You see that I'm holding the tape from where I stopped. So from our hip, we are sewing a short skirt. It could be a long skirt also. You measure your knee length. Also, then you measure the full length that you want. So that's that. So after you've done that, that's our linear measurement. So we'll go to our horizontal measurement, our round measurements. Our round measurements, we have our busts. So whenever you are taking your bust measurements, you ensure you don't put too much finger inside, and you ensure that you can actually move your tape like this. This is a plastic manicure, so we're able to manipulate that very well. So you measure it. Our bust. So after we've taken our bust measurements, we also take our waist. So for your waist measurements, if you want a snatched outfit, do not put in your finger at all. Just take what you have there on your waist. So like I mentioned about the upper and lower outfits. So when you are measuring, if your outfit, maybe a client brought an outfit to you and the half length is upper, so you ensure that the round waist you're taking is the round waist of the upper half length, not the lower half length. So this is our waist measurement. Then we'll go to our hip measurements. For the hip measurement also, you can put in just one finger like our bust. And you ensure your tape can actually move a little bit for ease of the client, so it's not too tight but it's fitted. So we have also what we call our shoulder or back measurement. So this is it. We go from this, we have a bone here, from the tip of this bone to the tip here of our shoulder bone. That's when you take for your back. These are 13 inches. So from here to here, that's a measure. So other measurements we take also are the armhole measurements. Your armhole, you can see it. Have your one finger in it. Your armhole measurements. Your sleeve measurements. So basically, I usually tell my students to take 3 measurements for the sleeve: the short sleeve, the long sleeve, and the quarter sleeve. So when taking the long sleeve, you ensure your client fold their hands. This is a little bit folded. They fold it a bit before you take the long sleeve measurement. This is to enable ease when you finish sewing the sleeve, so that when they fold their hands, this round place is not tight. So they're able to fold their hands without the fabric also tearing or being too tight for them to actually move their hands. So after we take, so I can take my short sleeve. So this is where my sleeve is measuring from. The same collarbone is where you're measuring your length of your sleeve from. The bone of your shoulder, I mean. So you take your short sleeve, your 3/4, and then your long sleeve. So when you do that also, you ensure you take the round sleeve of where you measured. For instance, if I measured for my short sleeve 7 inches here, that means I'll be measuring the round sleeve of that area where my 7 inches is, the round sleeve on it. So also for our quarter sleeve, then our long sleeve also. Okay. So as we go on in our classes, for trousers, jumpsuits, I'll take us on how to measure also for trousers and jumpsuit. So the basic measurement I've done now are what we can use for our skirt also. Majorly for our skirt, we need our waist measurement, hip measurement, and the length of our skirt. Skirt is, I think, skirt is most simplest outfits to sew. So also for our top now, remember we took our bust point, under bust, and a half width. So one thing you also take also is your nipple to nipple measurement, which is also called the bust span. The nipple to nipple measurement, that means where your first nipple is, the distance between it and your second nipple. So that is what we call our bust span or our nipple to nipple measurement. So I'll see you guys in next class. Let me know if you enjoyed my video, if you want to more. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.